Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Fire tablet. First, power on your device and follow the on-screen prompts for initial setup. You'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network to access the internet and download content. Once connected, register your tablet with your Amazon account. This links your purchases and subscriptions, making your Fire tablet ready for use in just a few minutes. Navigating your Fire tablet is intuitive. The home screen features a content carousel and dedicated sections for books, videos, and apps. To get new applications, open the Amazon App Store, browse, and tap to download. You can easily manage your installed apps and even create folders by dragging one app onto another. This helps keep your digital space tidy and efficient for daily use. Your Fire tablet is a fantastic media consumption device. Dive into millions of books with Kindle, stream movies and TV shows via Prime Video, or listen to music. For web browsing, the Silk browser offers a smooth experience. If you need more space for downloads, simply insert a micro SD card into the slot. Many models support up to 1 terabyte of additional storage, giving you ample room. To enhance your experience, explore the settings menu for display adjustments, sound profiles, and accessibility features. For families, Amazon FreeTime or Kids Plus allows you to create child profiles with controlled content and screen time limits. Remember to regularly clear your tablet's cache through the device settings to keep it running smoothly and free up valuable internal storage space, ensuring peak performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.